a while since I had to step in. You can take this one.
I'll hurry over. I will save everyone.
Now this is getting fun.
In Novias' name. Let's play hide and seek. I'm it. When I catch you, I'll maul you to shreds.
Oh.
So, the footsteps following me were from you? Oh, it wasn't that.
Will you join me for a tea party? I have prepared a wonderfully cruel fairy tale for you. I don't even know anymore. I don't really enjoy this. Why are you interrupting me? You actually know. Oh, so cute. There are no tricks here.
Oh, impressive.
Ugh, stop dragging this out. I thought I told you. Get out of my sight! Wait, who's that?
You wanna see?
Oh.
This
Like
is
this.
fun. Think I can play my part, Millie? Over here! Well done! Here I come! Okay. Then how is this? I see you! Happily ever after!